Hello guys! For today's video guys, I will show you how I cook seafood biryani. So let's start. So first, we put oil in the pot. And then after the oil is hot, we put onion. And then stir it. And then we put also whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon stick, cardamom seeds, black pepper seeds, cloves, and cumin seeds, and then stir it. And then we will put also green pepper and stir it again. And then we put also garlic, just like that. And then again stir it. You see the onion, it become golden. So we put also ginger and tomato. And then we also put tomato paste. And then now we put the seafood, just like that, and then stir it. And then we put now Arabic spices, red chili seeds, paprika powder, cinnamon powder, turmeric powder, black pepper powder, bazaar or omani spices, and then stir it again. And then we put also salt. And then we put also coriander leaves. And then we put also yogurt. And then stir it very well. Just like that, guys. And then cover it with aluminum foil and turn the fire down. We fry also onion, guys, for toppings. Then now we make rice. We just cook the rice, guys, in 7 minutes. Then half of the rice we put here, just like that. And then stir it. Then the half of the rice we put at the top, just like that, guys. And then cover it again with aluminum foil. Then we leave this one in the fire in 15 minutes, just small fire, just like that, guys. And now, guys, it's done. So we transfer here. Wow! Look yummy yummy! You see guys? Very nice. And that's all guys. Thank you for watching.